What if I told you that you do not need thousands of followers to make your first sale online?
Fast Money Marion here, and today I'm showing you how to make your first sale without a big audience. By the end of this video, you'll know how to choose a simple offer, find people who need it, build trust, and make your first sale even if you are starting from zero. A lot of beginners think they need thousands of followers before they can make money online, but your first sale does not require a big audience. It requires the right offer in front of a right person. Having attention is helpful, but attention alone does not always create sales. People buy when they trust that your offer can actually help them. Your first goal is not to reach everybody. Your first goal is to help one person solve one problem and create one successful sale. If your offer is too broad, people get confused. Do not try to sell everything. Start with one clear offer that solves one clear problem. Use this simple formula. I help this person solve this problem so they can get this result. For example, I help small business owners create 5 social media posts so they can show up online this week. When you have no big audience, do not sit and wait for people to find you. Go find people who already have the problem you solve. Start with your network. Friends, family, coworkers, local businesses, online connections, and people you already talk to can be your first opportunity. When you talk about your offer, focus on the result. People do not only want the thing, they want what the thing helps them do. Buyer signals sound like, I need help with this. I do not know where to start. Can someone recommend? Or, how do I fix this? Show the before and after. Before, they feel stuck, confused, or overwhelmed. After, they have a clear step, finished task, or better result. Do not make your message complicated. Simple words build trust. Say what you do, who it helps, and what changes after they buy. Here is an example. I help new creators plan 30 content ideas so they can stop staring at a blank screen and start posting consistently. When you do not have a big audience, trust matters even more. People need to feel like you understand their problem before they buy.
Share helpful content around the problem you solve. Give tips, examples, mistakes to avoid, and simple steps people can use.
If you do not have testimonials yet, show sample work. Create examples, mock-ups, before and after samples, or practice projects. Your first buyer may be nervous. Make it simple and safe by explaining what they get, how it works, how long it takes, and what happens next.
Sometimes beginners share value but never ask for the sale. If your offer can help, it is okay to invite people to work with you.
Use a simple call to action. Say, message me help, comment sale, book a call, or click the link if you want this. You can say, hey, I noticed you mentioned struggling with content ideas. I help beginners plan 30 content ideas so they can post consistently. Want me to send details? If someone shows interest but does not respond, follow up respectfully. A simple message like, just checking if you still wanted the details, is enough. You do not need a fancy website to make your first sale. A clear offer, a simple payment link, and a way to deliver the result can be enough to start. Start with a small package, something simple, useful, and easy to deliver. Your first sale should teach you, not overwhelm you. After you make the sale, deliver well. Communicate clearly, do what you promised, and make the customer feel taken care of.
This is perfect, thank you.
I'm glad you're happy. 5 stars. One sale can become proof, confidence, feedback, and momentum. Use that first sale to improve your offer and attract the next customer. You do not need a big audience to make your first sale. You need one clear offer, one real problem, one person who needs help, and the courage to ask. If this helped you, like the video, subscribe to us to make first sale if you're online.